Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account on Keto Markets. After registering, you click on this option in the wallet section, and on the right side of the page you click on Upload in front of the ID card. And in the next step you select the type of document. You enter the expiration date of the document. You also enter the type of your document. At the bottom, you upload a photo of the back of your ID card. And finally, you click on the Upload button. And to prove your address, you click on this option. You select the proof of address. You enter your country. You enter the city, full address, postal code, and in this section you upload the required document, such as a bank statement or a bill. Please note that the date should be between 3 months to a maximum of 6 months. After uploading the documents, you click on Upload, and as you can see, our documents are currently being reviewed. And to check the status of your verification, you click on the profile. In the profile section, you will see that our account has been fully verified. Good luck.